Home Ribbon Part 2. While working with the Home tab, we are actually doing formatting with the data in it. A common factor that we look for is how to put a title across the multiple columns in Excel. For example, here I want to give it a title Sales for my sales report in the center of the table. So I type in here in A1 cell as Sales and click and drag it to that last cell across the table. Then I click on Center and Merge button. Now you can see the results as the sales title is in the center of the table across all the columns. Here you can give it a background color as a whole cell. You can also put a line underneath, so it looks more neat and can see actual parts of the spreadsheet itself. Another thing is when we are working with the tables, there is an option of using the manual tabs of fonts from the Home tab or select the styles. These styles give us a look for a format to the table itself. It will remove all our formats and use the built-in styles. In case if you prefer to use a few lines to give a background color, it is a very quick way of choosing individual colors for cells. When I click on the pull down, you will see that it has shading in percentages form. It is useful in coordinating color scheme. For instance, I'll go to a light green accent color for the title. Now, I'll go down to my totals. I'll go back to styles. When I'm in styles, I'll go back down to the pull down and I'll take the same color of green in a slightly darker shade. Here, I can also choose titles for coloring in the same shade. Here, you can also see the theme colors to keep all of my coloring in the same shading. When I go back up to the letter A, because I just used the dark green, that color is automatically available. To apply new color, I can pull down arrow and select the color. It is useful to use styles for the users to keep it simple and easy to read and understand the data on the screen. One more thing I want to show here is as we go on putting information in the sheet, the Home menu allows us to insert cells, insert rows, or insert a sheet. So if I want to add a row above sales, I can insert a row by clicking on this. I can delete that row too. Under the Delete tab, there is a tab called Format, which allows us to do cell sizing, visibility, organization, and so on. We will study it in detail later on. So the Home tab is used for doing common formatting tasks for accessibility of the user.